Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have more fashion for you and I have a short story box to share with you. Now, short story very quickly because I want to jump right in and try things on. It's a styling service for Petite. They do send you 5 items after you fill out a profile, and anything you don't want. I did notice that their return time is shorter now, so you only have 3 days to try everything on. Send it back. You do your feedback on a written piece of paper, not online. You rate everything, include that paper in your box, and ship it back. There is a $25 styling fee that gets credited to anything that you keep. The only thing that I don't care for with short story is that you don't get any type of discount, although you do get your styling fee credited back to your whatever you purchase. If you keep all 5 items, you don't get a discount. That's the only thing that I don't really care for. I have had really good luck with my short story boxes, and I found a couple pieces. I think in every single box, at least one thing that I've kept, and in my eyes, that's a good box if I can keep one thing. All right, this box looks very promising. There's some fun pieces in this box. I know I'm not gonna keep everything, but let's try things on and see what things look like because I have not tried things on yet. I've just kind of gone through them. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so first top, this one is by J.Jill. This is the Petite Evelyn soft knit top in the color Peat Moss, which is like an olive color. It's really pretty. Extra large petite, and it's $38.23. It's a little pricey, I think, for what it is, but maybe that's because it's the J.Jill brand, and I think they're a little bit pricier. Oh, the material, 60% cotton and 40% modal. So I do love the color. I think it's very pretty. It does have, it gathers here. It has like a twist here on the bottom. And then I do like the neckline. It almost has like a small boat neck, which, oh, there's a tag here. Yep, let me try to hide that. Which I really like. I think it's cute. I love the color. This is good. I wear a lot of vests. So I do have a quilted vest that I'm going to grab and try it with this. She wants me to pair it with a cardigan that I have that's coming up next, which I haven't tried on yet, so I can't wait to try that on because it looks very promising. I love the print. Let's talk about this top because that's what we're here for. Getting sidetracked easily. So, but I do wear a lot of cardigans and vests and things like that, so this would be a good layering piece, probably for the vest, not so much cardigans. I think with my cardigans, I need more of an open neckline because I don't have a long neck, and so if things are too close to my neck, sometimes it looks like I don't have one. So anyway, I do like the color. I think it fits great. It's soft. I like the material of this top. I don't know if I'm crazy about the gather here, but it's not bad. I'll show you the back. So yeah, all right, let me go try on the cardigan with this top and I will be right back and I'll show you. And then after that, I'll grab the vest. Okay, so this next cardigan is the one she wanted me to pair the olive green top with. I don't know if I would because it just kind of it doesn't really give me a neck. I think I need a top with this cardigan that has either a rounded neckline or a V neckline. Let's talk about the cardigan first. So this cardigan is by Bobeau. This is the Petite Waterfall knit cardigan. It's in green camo. It's an extra large petite. It is $42.95. The material is 75% rayon, 21% polyester, and 4% spandex. So I do like the style of the cardigan as far as the print. I like the camo print. I really do. I don't own a lot of camo. I own a lot of camo, not a lot. I own a couple pair of camo pants. I do like, and I own a camo jacket, which is cute. The only thing I don't know if I'm crazy about is the waterfall style of this. I don't know if that's a flattering look for me. Yeah, I don't know. I like I love the print. I do. I'm torn because I really do like the print and I think it fits well. I just don't know if the waterfall style is for me, and it's so soft. It's very soft. The only other thing I don't know if I like is that, you know, when you're moving around, you can see the unfinished, not unfinished, but yeah, kind of like the raw material on the inside. But I do love the camo. All right, I'm going to show you the back of it, and yeah, we'll see. Hang on. It's just the waterfall. I think if it were just like a straight cut, it might be a better look for me. But I'm going to watch back and see what it looks like on camera because sometimes that helps me. All right, let me go grab that vest I was talking about and put that with the green top, and we'll see if that makes a difference. So hang on one second. Okay, so I just want to hop back on and share with you really quickly. I think I like the look of this top better with a vest or on its own. With the cardigan, it's just too high. You know, it just looks too high on my neck, and so I don't know. I think this looks a little bit better. Yeah, with the vest. This is my own vest. This is not a short story vest, so I'm not going to talk about this. This is from Old Navy. But yeah, I want to show you what it looked like, styled differently. I'm going to change, and I'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to give this cardigan a fair shot with something else underneath, so I did grab just a tank that I have in my closet with an open neckline, or a more open neckline than the other one. I was so hopeful. I think it looks a lot better with a top that has an open neckline. I'm still not convinced about the waterfall style though. I just don't know if that's a good look for me. I just feel like it adds a lot of material here. I think if it was like just a straight cardigan, it would be in my closet. I'd wear it today probably, but yeah, it's the waterfall, I think. But I don't know, I'm gonna watch back because I'm so hopeful. I love the camo print and it's so soft that I really want this to work. I'm not gonna force it. If it doesn't really work, I'm gonna send it back. But I do truthfully like it better with the open neck top that I pulled from my closet. So yeah, let me watch back and I'll see what I think. So all right, let's change. Let's talk about something new. Hang on one second. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna show you the scarf they sent me. This is by the brand Leto. It is the ribbed cowl neck infinity scarf in beige. It's one size, it's $25. I don't really wear infinity scarves a lot. I do like the look of this one, and I could probably pull it down so it's not too close to my neck. Because yeah, you know I don't like things too close to my neck, and that's typically why I don't wear infinity scarves, because I can't just, you know, with like other scarves, you can just pull them off easily, and this one I'd have to just, you know, well, I guess I could just pull it over my head. Yeah, I like the look of this one. I think the color is very pretty. I would probably go with a lot in my closet. I just don't know how much I'd pull for it. Let me take it off. There, yeah, it's easy off, right? So here is the, let me bring it closer so you can see how it's knit. It's really, really pretty. I like it, but how much will I pull for it? That's the question. All right, now I have 2 more things to share with you from this box, so I'll be right back and we'll go over those items. Okay, next top. This one is by Everett Lee. This is the Petite tie hem V-neck striped top. It is ivory. It's an extra large petite. It is $28.92, so not a bad price. Ready for the material? 70% rayon, 15% cotton, 11% polyester, and 4% elastane. Had to write that down. Was never gonna remember that. So I like the neckline of this top. This is a soft top. I love the materials that she chose for this box. I love where she was going with this box. This top was promising because I really do like how it looks from up here, but when I stand back, you're not gonna like it because I don't like it. It does button all the way down. The sleeve length is great, but nope. I just don't know if I care for how short this tie front top is. So some tie front tops I can, you know, manage and I like. This one, I just feel like it's too short, and because it's too short, it's hitting me and drawing attention to an area where I don't need to draw attention to. And so that's why I don't care for the placement of this tie. I think maybe if it were a little bit longer, we'd be okay. But yeah, it's like drawing right here. Look, drawing the attention right down. Nope, we don't want that. So yeah, from here up, I love it. I think it looks great, but then you back up and nope, don't like it. It's too short. I know this is a petite box, but this seems like it's very short even for a petite box. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I do know that I think those cropped sweaters and tops and things like that are coming back, which I don't really like. But anyway, here's the back. So yeah, this one's going back, but it was promising, almost. All right, I've got a pair of pants to show you, so let's talk about those. Hang on one second. Okay, I changed and then I realized, oops, I forgot to do the pants. So the pants are by Democracy. They are the Petite AB Tech ankle jeans. They are in the color mulberry. They are $58.43. I do like the Democracy brand. They kind of seem like they're just hugging me in places that I don't know, they don't feel tight, but I think they look like they are. They fit great and they feel great on. I just don't know what's going on in my upper leg area here. I don't know. I like them, and I love the color. They do have pockets back here. But, you know, I have a couple pair of pants. I know for work pants, I have a couple pair in this color, and I also think I have a pair of jeans in this color, so I don't know if I need them. I'm going to check. I'm going to watch back because they just kind of look like they're a little snug, so I don't know that I'll keep these. They don't feel snug, though, so I don't know. Maybe it's just the material. Sometimes the material can kind of cling. I'll have to see. I didn't check the tag to see what kind of material this is. So let me check. All right, I'll be right back and we will do a quick recap. Okay, let's do a really quick recap. So I really liked where the stylist was going with the styles in this box. I think there were some promising pieces, but some things just didn't work as far as cuts and things like that. And I have a pair that's very similar to this. So the Democracy jeans in this color with the mulberry color. I have a pair that's pretty similar. I don't have a need for two pair of the same color. So I am going to send these back, but they were very comfortable and I like the Democracy brand a lot. So if you haven't tried the Democracy brand, I recommend them. They fit me as far as like the petite size too perfectly as far as the length of them. So I really like that. This, I don't know if this is for me, but I may keep this. I'm thinking my sister, as soon as I took it off, I'm like, ooh, my sister Kelly would really like this. So I might keep this for her. I need a couple more ideas. I said that in another video. So I might purchase this for her. We'll see. And then maybe I can steal it, you know, sometimes. That's what we do, right? So, this top was promising. I just wish it were a little bit longer. Yeah, because it really just drew attention to an area where we don't need to draw attention to. So I'm going to send this one back, but I love the style and the concept of it. So the only thing is the length, I think. And then, so the olive top, I think I might keep this one just to wear with vests and things like that. And it's a perfect platform for a statement necklace. So yeah, I might keep this top. I do love the color. And then I have to watch back because I really want this to work, but I just don't know. I don't know about the waterfall style, so you let me know what you think too. I may have to send things back before I can get this video posted, so let me know what you think though. I still really love to hear your thoughts on the pieces that I receive. Thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you all very soon in my next video.